Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about handler.ownKeys method. So, you know what handler does is trap for a particular method. So, in this case, it's reflect.ownKeys. So now we're gonna set a trap for that by using the handler method. So what we're gonna do? I mean, sorry, own keys method. So now we were gonna do create a constant as usual for creating handlers, and we're gonna name it as monster1 equals an object, um, age 11, and what we're gonna do is pass it a symbol. You will understand why I'm doing this very soon. Secret. So secret symbol, we are localizing that, and if we do that, what it's gonna say is I am scared. And then when we're done with that, this monster has a eye count of 4. And now create another constant. Use the handler dot 1 equals own keys target, and what we're gonna do, return reflect dot own keys, and now use the target. And when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is create another const, and as usual, to control the handler by using proxy. Use the proxy 1 equals, use the new operator, and use the construction method to create proxy 1, pass the monster 1 comma handler 1. And when we're done with that, what we're gonna do, we need to print every of them. So for that, what we're gonna do, create a for loop, pass let key of object dot keys, as usual for the printing of keys, and proxy, pass the proxy 1. And now we're gonna print the key by writing log it on a console. Sorry about that. Key. When we do that, you're gonna say age and eye count. So this is what it does, and it takes that, the symbol, because it don't have that. So this is what it does. It takes the own keys and make trap for the reflect.own keys. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.